Imagine an island so strange that scientists compare it to another planet. Giant, umbrella-shaped trees, rare animals, and landscapes unlike anywhere else on Earth. This is Socotra, one of the most isolated and biologically unique islands on the planet. If you're fascinated by the hidden stories that shaped our planet, subscribe now, leave a like, and tell us in the comments where you're watching from. Then share this documentary with someone who loves science and discovery, because the next few minutes will completely change how you see Earth's history. But here's the real mystery. Why did Socotra separate from Africa? The answer isn't a legend or a sudden catastrophe. It's a story written deep beneath Earth's surface over millions of years. Around 30 million years ago, Africa and the Arabian Peninsula were still connected as part of a single landmass. Socotra wasn't an island. It was part of that continuous continent. Then powerful forces inside Earth began to change everything. Heat rising from the mantle slowly stretched the crust. At first, tiny fractures formed. Over millions of years, those cracks widened into enormous rifts. Eventually, the crust split apart, creating a brand new ocean basin known as the Gulf of Aden. As Africa and the Arabian Plate drifted away from each other, Socotra remained on a fragment of ancient continental crust. It wasn't torn away like a piece of rock breaking off a cliff. Instead, the land around it slowly separated as new oceanic crust formed between the continents. Because Socotra is made of thick continental crust rather than thin oceanic crust, it stayed above sea level while the new ocean expanded around it. Its isolation became one of nature's greatest experiments. For millions of years, plants and animals evolved with little outside influence. Today, over a third of Socotra's plant species exist nowhere else on Earth. The island's most famous resident, the dragon's blood tree, developed its unique umbrella shape to survive the island's harsh climate, while its crimson sap has fascinated people for centuries. And the story isn't over. The Arabian Plate is still moving away from Africa at about 2 centimeters per year. That means the Gulf of Aden is still widening, and the same tectonic forces that created Socotra continue shaping our planet today. So, why did Socotra separate from Africa? Because Earth's interior never stops moving. Heat from deep within the planet stretched the crust, split a continent apart, and isolated a small piece of ancient land that